What's up guys? First test for this water flosser is the capacity. So the capacity is 300 milliliters and there are two ways of filling it up. You can fill it up using this little flap here, or you can completely take it out, press this button, and then you fill in via the hole here, like so. So I filled it all the way to the brim. All the way to the brim. A little bit of it is leaking. Okay, and what I'll do is I will set this to low. Let me just spin this around and I'll just power it and see how long it lasts. So counting down, I'll start from the 1 minute mark. 8, 9, go. Use it to clean out my sink. Completely empty. What was that? 120 maybe? Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up and I'll show you the range on it. I'll be back. How far is that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 feet. 16 feet with the high powered mode. Low powered mode and the high powered mode were pretty much the same. I'm gonna do high. So this is high. Okay, that's hitting the wall. It's hitting the wall, the bottom of the wall there, see? Okay. I'm running out of water, so let's do low. Shoots the same distance. Same power, but less water spray. Okay, so the annoying things about this water flosser is sometimes when you're using it, because you're gripping it in a certain way, that the power and the mode buttons are just way too close together. And then the other one is this flap sometimes comes loose and then the water comes out. Especially happens when you have the higher power settings. Do you see there? I just hit the mode button accidentally. Very easy to hit these buttons. And also the lowest power is not that low, it's pretty high. So I find that the high to low settings doesn't have a huge difference, and low can make your gums bleed as well. Yeah, so there you have it, the water flosser. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.